Good morning, Grange EYFS, Grange Nursery, Grange Reception. Let us do this together. Let's say good morning, everyone. Let's have a wonderful, wonderful day. Let's do good listening. Pinch your ear so you can really feel it. Let's do good listening. Let's use kind words. Let's have great actions. Let's have confidence for ourselves. Let's have consideration for the world around us. So, I have been reading this amazing book, and this book I got from Miss Waite, and I know Mr. Omateo loves this book as well. It's a book all about feelings and a book about how to be our best with our feelings. Now, I went the other day into the classrooms, and especially I was in Greta Thunberg class, and it was amazing because you were all talking about feelings. And when you talked about feelings, sometimes you showed a happy face, and you showed an angry face, and you showed a sad face, and you showed a silly face, and you showed also a concentrating face. So you know what your feelings look like. The problem is sometimes we get a bit wobbly. Some people call it the yellow zone. And we're starting to feel a little bit uncomfortable, a little bit itchy and edgy, and we don't know what to do. And that's when we need to calm ourselves. And calming ourselves, this book has the most wonderful ideas about how to calm ourselves. One of the things you can do when you're feeling a little bit wobbly in the yellow zone and you're not so calm, you can take a break. Go sit quietly on the side by yourself. Just have a little play by yourself. You can breathe from your tummy, like you breathe in deep and you feel your tummy fill with air, and then you blow it out and you feel your tummy go in. That's like, people call it a belly breath. You could talk to an adult and you can say, I'm feeling very wobbly. I'm feeling in my yellow zone. You could go for a little walk. You can do stretches. You can squish a ball. Even, I've got to tell you a secret, sometimes helps me when I'm feeling a bit wobbly and I've got nothing to squish or nothing to really push or pull on. I just go to the wall and I push against the wall as hard as I can, and then I stand up straight. And that helps to calm. So those are all ways we can calm ourselves. And the other big secret is that when we are with somebody who we can see is feeling very wobbly, we can help them calm because we can give them space. Or we can say to them, I can see you're not feeling so great. Would you like to go for a walk? Would you like to have a talk? Maybe you can just see they're feeling very angry from their face. Maybe they just need a bit of space. Or maybe you can even go to an adult and say, I think my friend is feeling a bit wobbly in the yellow zone. Can you please help them to just calm? Anyway, all of us together, we are great Grange CC learners. And being a CC learner means knowing how to calm your feelings and how to deal with your feelings and how to make your feelings brilliant and how to help everybody around you. Now, who was classy class this week? Well, I can see that, oh my goodness, yes, I can see Greta Thunberg class got 332 points, which is absolutely amazing. Brilliant class charts points. But I got to say, the classy class of last week was Olaudah Equiano Nursery class with 1,000 points. And their class champions were Partiv and Yoaz. Partiv and Yoaz, give yourselves a pat on the back. Everybody else, be very happy for Partiv and Yoaz and say, well done, thank you for inspiring us. And yeah, the class champions of Greta Thunberg, Harris, Aftab and Aliyah, well done. And Alan Turing, the class champions are Ashvi and Marie Glenna, well done. And in Bob Marley, the class champions are Dario, Ada, and Shema. Really proud of you. And as I said, the classy. Class of last week was a Olaudah Equiano Nursery class. I am so proud of you. Now I'm quickly going to my, oh my goodness, I'm going to have to go on this computer over here. I am quickly looking who got gold in nursery, who were the gold stars. And I'm just logging on my computer. It's taking a while to wake up because it's Monday morning. And I'm saying, wake up, computer. I think the computer's feeling a little bit blue zone. It's a little bit tired, but it's waking up now. And let me see, hopefully, here it comes. Oh my goodness, you know what's happened, everybody? It's asking me